And honestly, the whole concept of this show is something I would have prescribed to my yaya if I'd known then what I know now. Just listen. Listen to real people having real conversations. Don't stress about understanding every word. Let the brain do what the brain does. Yaya did it anyway, instinctively, and it worked.
She sounds amazing.
She was! Sharp as a tack, even into her 90s. 2 languages and still picking up new words. She'd hear something on the television, ask me what it meant, and use it in the same conversation. At 93.
That is the brain right there.
That is exactly the brain. It never stops wanting to learn. We just have to give it the right conditions. And this kind of listening, real speech, real rhythm, real people, is one of the best conditions there is.
Okay, so tell us. What is actually going on in the brain when someone is learning a second language?
So most people, when they decide to learn a new language, they open a textbook. They study grammar rules. They memorize vocabulary lists. And the brain finds that really hard, really unnatural.
Because that's not how we learn our first language.
Exactly! No one taught you your first language by explaining the past perfect tense. You just heard it thousands of times, in context, in conversation.
So the brain learns by listening.
Primarily, yes. The brain is incredibly good at picking up patterns, sound patterns, rhythm, sentence structures, when it hears them in natural speech over and over.
It's exactly what we're doing here.
Which is exactly what you're doing. And I'd say listening to a show like this is one of the most scientifically sound approaches to language learning that exists. The research backs it up.
For someone listening right now thinking, do I actually need to study grammar? What would you tell them?
Listen first. Listen a lot. Let your brain do what it's designed to do. The grammar will come. Too easy.